Hi. In this next episode, we're going to complete the client-side configuration for NFS. The steps will include creating a mount point so that whatever share you are mounting can be connected to some mount point or some directory within your local file system. The next step will be installing the NFS package so that you can use the NFS protocol in order to mount, and then simply mount the directory using the mount command. We'll also share how to make your mount persistent by using the etc fstab and putting in the right entries for you in order to automatically mount an NFS network file system. Coming up in this next lab, we're going to take all these steps and show you how to configure NFS client. Please join us in this next lab. In this episode, we're going to show how to configure an NFS client. In the previous episode, we had set up an NFS share on CentOS 1. So if you have been following along, we have a share called NFS data where we have a project file. And if I type export fs, you can see that we are now actually sharing this with the world. Anyone can actually mount NFS data provided they use the NFS protocol. So, as the client side here, I'm going to log in and show you those steps of mounting that NFS network share. Let's go ahead and log in and open up the terminal and show you those steps. The first thing I'm going to do is switch to the root user so I can download the necessary packages. And the packages that you're going to want is called nfs-utils. So I'm going to type dnf install nfs-utils, and I'll throw a -y to preemptively confirm my installation choices and downloading the necessary packages and the dependencies. Once that's done, we are going to require a mount point, like an area where we're going to connect these two drives. So I'm going to create a directory with mkdir, and I'll give it the same name, NFS data. All right. So now we are going to connect our local NFS data with this NFS data that we are actually importing from CentOS 01. So how we do that, we can do a very simple mount command, mount, and the server itself, which is 172.16.10.101:/NFS data. And so this is our network share. And we are connecting this simply to our mount point, NFS data. And that's it. Now, the network share is mounted. If I actually show you in NFS data, you can see that project file, of course, that we created over here. We are now able to mount it on our network side over here. Now, of course, it has been explained that the mount command is not persistent. So if you want persistence in this, what you can do is edit your etc fstab file, add another entry down here, and say that this server is having my file system, and I'm mounting it here. It is of type NFS. All right. And for mount options, we're going to say wait till we are synced. And of course, the other two are just 0 and 0. So this will ensure that your NFS share is permanently mounted. I'll comment this out for now, but you should make a note of this if you're following along. In order to make this mount persistent, you need this exact same formatting. First, you need the file system, which is remote in this case. You need the mount point. You need the file system type. You need the mount options, the dump support or backup support, and automatic system file check. So that is actually having a persistent NFS mount defined in etc fstab. This brings us to the end of this episode. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.